Imagine trying to buy a rare item, but instead of checking one store, you have to run through 50 different shops just to find a fair price. It is exhausting, right? In the world of cryptocurrency, this happens every single second, costing people millions of dollars in hidden fees and bad prices. But what if one project secretly fixed this problem on one of the fastest networks in the world? Today, we are looking at a project handling billions of dollars, yet many still do not understand what it actually does. So what exactly is Jupiter, or JUP, and does it hold real investing potential for the future? I'm Sina, and I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free video explaining hard subjects in short, clear format every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. Let me tell you a quick story to explain how this works. A few years ago, trading decentralized crypto was a nightmare. You had to jump between different platforms, hoping you were getting a good deal, but often losing money because the market was disconnected. This is the problem of fragmented liquidity. The cryptocurrency market was like a shattered mirror, with money scattered everywhere. This is exactly the problem Jupiter solves. Jupiter is a decentralized exchange aggregator built on the Solana blockchain. But what does that mean in simple words? Think of Jupiter as the Skyscanner or Google Flights of crypto. When you want to trade one coin for another, Jupiter instantly searches every single trading platform on the network to find you the absolute best price. What is the best thing about this project that makes it special? It is their smart routing system. It doesn't just find one path, it can instantly split your single trade across multiple different paths at the exact same time to ensure you save the most money. It does all the hard work for you in a fraction of a second. Now, before we talk about its massive vision and investing potential, I need to remind you, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only. So, what is this project's vision, and does it have investing potential? Jupiter's vision is incredibly ambitious. They do not just want to be a search engine for prices, they want to completely replace traditional centralized banks and exchanges. They're building a future where anyone, anywhere can trade safely and easily without handing their money over to a middleman. When considering its investing potential, we have to look at its foundation. Jupiter is the backbone of the Solana ecosystem. As Solana grows and attracts more users globally, almost all of that trading volume flows directly through Jupiter. While no one can predict future prices, the true potential here lies in its real-world utility. It solves a painful problem today and is an essential internet infrastructure for tomorrow. Tell me, do you invest in this project? Do you think this project really has the potential to change crypto? Also, if you want to know what are the best crypto projects that you can invest in and their investing potential, check out the video and playlist you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.